Christmas, everyone. Hope you're having a great holiday season. And welcome to our third annual hot cocoa and cookie sale put on by my nieces Maya, Mari, and my nephew Tanner. Traditionally, we've been doing the cookie sale on Christmas Eve, and we really just enjoy spending time with our friends and family and eating yummy cookies. As always, thank you so much for watching, and please enjoy.
Hot cocoa and cookies sale. Hi, I'm 10 years old and I'm Maya. And what I'm excited about for Christmas is spending time with family and the hot cocoa sale.
Hi, I'm 7 years old. I'm Mari, and what I like to do at Christmas is opening the presents. Hello, my name is Mickey Mouse, and
Actually, his name is Tanner.
I want to get another Lightning McQueen. Bye bye.
Today we will be showing you guys how we're gonna decorate our cookie, and today we'll be baking it, and tomorrow we'll be decorating it, and then the day after that we'll be doing our cookie sale. So this will be a 3-day video. Hi, we are now making the hot cocoa signs for the hot cocoa sale.
Hot cocoa is $1, and gingerbread cookies are also $1.
Yeah, and I'm now making.
I made a picture.
So in 2016, we were babysitting Maya, Mari, and Tanner, and we decided to do a lemonade stand because we had this really cool lemonade kit, and that was like a smashing success. So Maya had a great idea to do another one for the holidays, and she did hot cocoa sale. And from there, it was word got around, and the demand was so high that we added cookies, and we did it again in 2017. And here we are preparing for the biggest sale ever, 2018 hot cocoa and gingerbread sale. Yes.
We're making gingerbread cookies. We're making 6 batches. And Mom is our head chef. She's our head baker. And Kathy is a little stingy on the cinnamon.
I'm measuring it.
So we have to make sure that she's measuring it correctly.
It's fine.
So we are down to a science now. We are in the baking process. So we have the cookie cutters, Maya and Mari, and then they bring it here and we put it in the oven, and then we cool them on a continuous flow. We have it down.
Are making the icing now.
This is day 2 of
Decorating
decorating cookies. How many cookies did you guys make last time?
I don't know.
150, I think.
Maybe or more.
So now today is the decorating process. We're decorating cookies for our gingerbread sale tomorrow.
Alright, what are you doing here? What are you decorating?
A gingerbread.
And what is your plan for this gingerbread man? What is your plan?
I don't know. I just
Are you gonna give him a face or?
Of course.
So what was the prep that had to go into it?
So we had to decorate yesterday, and then we had to bake the day before that. And finally we will be selling that.
What kind of cookies do we have?
We have gingerbread, and we also have like these cocoa crispy cookies.
So we're very excited for the cookie sale, 11 o'clock till we run out.
We are getting ready for the hot cocoa sale. This is like where all the food will be, and this is where the cash register will be, and all the toppings you can get with your hot cocoa.
returning to the annual bake sale?
Because it's so delicious.
And you brought a
Tray. It was the last time it all cracked before it got home.
It went pretty good. I was really shocked because I didn't know how it would go because I thought that people would go slow, but it was like a chunk of people that came. And yeah, we're wrapping it up now. We just have 2 more customers.
What did you learn from this experience?
I learned to be more giving with donating money because actually we'll be donating 50% of the money to Milan Home. Happy holidays!
We hope you enjoyed a little bit of holiday cheer from our family. As always, thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays!